you have been resetting your BMW service warning lights and were only supposed to reset the oil change interval but accidentally reset the brake change interval, you may see a warning come up. The red car on the hoist means you reset the brake wear sensors but you did not change them, or you have a faulty brake wear sensor. If you are looking at the brake pad service light and see a series of dashes, you have a problem. You see the little timer, we're resetting it. The timer goes around and then it resets. You press that button and you see the series of dashes. There's the dashes there. Dashes. The bright red car on the service hoist will be annoying. Tape over the red light will still be annoying. Start by looking at the brake wear sensor. The front left side wheel has a brake pad wear sensor. Let's take that off. So we remove the front left side wheel. This is the wear sensor wire. Follow it up here. The wire plugs in behind this box. Open the box to see the white connector. Follow the cable down and look for breakage. You just trace that cable, and this is what happened.
The brake sensor is this thing, just sitting there. And it goes, what the hell? Another shiv.
Well, it looks like we're going to need a new sensor. Slight damage has been located. So we're going to get this broken sensor, strip it off, strip the ends of the wires and join them together. This will help us reset the service light.
Button. Press this button. Toggle this thing. Oh, let's go to this one. Front brakes. Hit enter BC. Reset, hold it in. Yay! That's reset. See what the other one shows. Rear brakes have been reset as well. Yes! Hit this to get out of it. And then
you have to turn the car off and restart it before the car on the hoist warning disappears. Importantly, also check your brake pads for wear, order a new sensor, check your brake pads and replace the sensor. Thanks for watching.